Clemens. Hey guys, there's a CN southbound coming. What night? Is it Wednesday night?
Thursday.
Thursday night. You see there's green red up here. Night southbound, so here's train 1 position. I think it's short, but we'll find out.
Look at the signals down here too, though, because maybe it is a westbound. I don't know.
It could be. I think it's west or south.
Well, it's got to be west or south. What else is it gonna be?
It could be west. Well, the light up disappears and it turned. South? I think it should go south. How close was it?
Not super close. Why?
It might go south. You see no wagon to all red it looked like.
That's what I saw.
Was it a green red?
Red.
No greens or anything?
But that green one down there is hard to see. Why don't you not record until we know where the train's at?
Okay.
Because you'll make a super long video.
Like he passed his track?
He didn't, I mean, I don't know if he did or didn't, you know?
I've never seen a green red. Usually the thing was yellow. Oh, yellow red.
Not for the southbound though, you're just talking about the northbound's yellow red.
Why?
The south, whenever it's a southbound, it's always a green red.
See? Green.
It looks like there's lights shining this way.
Oh?
Yeah.
No, it's going west, is it?
No, I thought the lights were shining over here.
Oh? So if it is it that one?
Yeah, if it is, it's the one we just saw, and it'll be going north or south.
South.
If we go and park where we normally do, we should be able to see.
Are you gonna try to put my crossing?
Well, yeah, we're gonna try to.
You think it's short?
But it's only 9 o'clock, so this is when a lot of the trains or a lot of the cars are still out, you know?
Yeah. Is it gonna stop at the side in New Haven?
I don't know.
Grandma told me usually when the southbound stops in Saigon, that means the northbound has to get through.
Well, usually, yeah.
You think he has to do that, or maybe?
I don't know.
Sometimes the northbound has to go in the Saigon to let southbound get through too.
Sometimes, right?
Oh, when we point out earlier, you said you said it might be yellow because the top light was different.
Yeah. Well, the red one seems to be brighter. You can see the red immediately, but you can't see the other colors. You just know when it's not red, right?
I think it's just an engine. You think it has colors, or is it just an engine?
I don't think it'll be just an engine.
You think it's gonna park?
No.
If it was gonna park, what would the signal be?
I don't know.
Usually they stop on a red bit. I mean, green means go, so I think it's gonna keep going.
I don't see any lights yet, though.
Oh.
Do you?
Not yet. We could say there's a sign.
What do you mean a sign? You think that train's westbound? What do you think?
Southbound, maybe?
Well, that's what we're hoping for, but I don't see the light yet, so...
Of course, the signal is still green.
It's still green, yeah. But I don't see a glow or anything, so I think
I'm starting to.
Well, I think we should drive over it and check. Alright?
Oh, man. Yeah. Is there a train? How close?
Getting there.
Yeah, okay. Hey guys, there's a southbound coming at night. Do you have time?
Yeah.
Okay. You think that was the one we saw up here coming or no?
Yeah. Once this car passes, we'll turn around and hopefully we can catch it on this side. Otherwise, we'll pull on Speedway and hang a Louie.
I hope we have time.
Me too.
Come on. Night southbound. Was it forwards or backwards?
I'm sure it's forward.
Every time I put it in camera, it turns like, why is the light like a big circle and shine like a sun?
That's what it is.
Was it because of the camera or was it because of?
Look. First in line.
Huh?
First in line.
Should we pull up close to try to get the number 2?
Yeah.
Here it comes, guys. Are you gonna be able to go closer?
Yeah.
I don't know what that car is doing. Here it comes. Green man. We try to get number 2. Okay.
It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud.
How many engines? 1?
We'll see in a minute.
1, I'm guessing. Yeah, 1. Oh, no,
2305.
2. What's the number?
2305.
2305? 2305. 1 engine. Autolac. It's definitely autolac. It's all autolac. You guys see the light blowing the horn at Allen. Cool. Now that thing was red, but it was green. But he's going towards Wyandotte.
I don't know where he's going.
You need the southbound from that night. I can see the light. Is that the train right up there?
I think it's gonna be long.
Huh?
I think it's gonna be long.
Why?
I think these are empty.
You think it's short?
No, I think it's long. They're empty.
Oh. Usually the empty ones are long.
Yeah.
Like the one we saw on Monday before? And you know, like even the one, you mean long like the Memorial Day one?
Just long, yeah.
Do you wave or no?
Did he? No. He stared at us, so he was looking at us.
Huh?
He kept looking at us, but he didn't wave.
I mean, I saw him wave after he got done looking at us.
Yeah?
Do you think the signal's on in Richmond or do you think it's off?
I'm sure it's off. I don't know.
If it was on, would it go green, red, or blinking yellow?
I don't know.
If it was on, it would probably be green.
Probably.
Why has it been off lately?
I don't know, it just has.
I mean, it's just such a long one, isn't it? Cool. You see the other side, you see no red there. Cool, here's southbound. Night southbound, cool. Thursday night. You think this is the one you saw coming to Toledo? Well, we'll see more tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Maybe another cell.
Maybe.
I mean, if we're northbound has to get through soon, we probably have to stop at a side and relay them, I'm not sure. You don't see the end yet, right?
No, I don't see it yet.
You think there's cars still on the other end this time? What?
What?
You think the cars in the yard are still on this train? That's a new car hire. Really nice, that one. It's going to go pretty fast. Been a while since you've seen like cell phone, it's pretty cool. One time we landed on my phone, we did phone had over 176 cars. God, that was long.
Really?
Yeah, I had 176.
Wow, here's the end.
Yep. What's that long or short?
Pretty long.
Yeah, it was a long one. Now it's going towards Richmond. You know, I was stopped and I saw the signal in Port Huron go red bright. You know? Alright guys, that's all for now. Port Huron, Michigan.